In this lesson, we are going to learn how to make negative sentence in French. What is the format? What is the structure? I will explain step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. So in English, we use not. If you want to make negative sentence, we use mostly not. For example, I can say, I am not a student. I am not a student. But in French, we use two words to make negative sentence. It is like strange, right? So don't be strange because French and English are different language. So they have also different rules. But I will explain very easily. You will learn quickly. Now, next. So this is the structure. This is the structure of negative sentence. How to make negative sentence? This is the structure. First, we write no, then subject, then ne, then verb, then pa, and then extra word. So whatever the after that it's coming, I consider as a extra word. For example, you can see here one sentence. It is an affirmative sentence in French. C'est un livre. C'est un livre. If you don't know what is say, what is un, then look at my another lesson. I explain in detail. Okay. So c'est un livre means this is a book. This is a book. So how to make negative sentence? As per structure, we will apply here. So first we will take here no. This is our example sentence. We will make this sentence in negative. No from here. Here is subject. So CE is our subject. Here is ne. Verb we take from here. This is verb. Pa. This is from the structure. And on leave, it is all considered as a extra word. Extra word. Okay. So I can make like this. EST is a verb. CE, it is a subject. Okay. So as I said earlier, we use ne pa. Okay. No, su ne pa en leave. But actually, this is not a correct sentence. Okay. So what is the correct sentence? Because in French, two vowel not come together. So here are two vowel. So one have to sacrifice. Why? That I explain in this lesson. Say. So watch that first, then you will understand. So exactly how to make this sentence? It is no is no, su is su, and ne become an apostrophe. EST remain same, EST, pa remains same, and the rest is remain same. Okay. So we can say no, su ne pas en live. Be careful. I said many times when the S followed by vowel, then we have to pronounce here like Z. Z. We have to pronounce like Z. No, su ne pas. So it is not only pa. No, su ne pas en live. No, su ne pas en live. Okay. So normally we can say pa. Ne in pa. But here vowel followed by S. So we pronounce here Z. No, su ne pas en live. Clear? It's very easy. Now, you can make some sentences so you will understand definitely. Okay? Now look at next. What is next? How to make plural sentence in negative. So format already you know. Ne pa, subject, ne, verb, pa, and extra word. So this is the affirmative sentence in French. Ce sont des livres. Ce sont des livres. The meaning of this, these are books. these are books. Now let's compare with the structure and with the affirmative sentence. Okay, so no is no, subject is so, it's come here so, nay is here nay. Okay, sont is come here, this is verb, actually this is verb. Okay, sont. Then pa is here, is between two verb, so sont is verb, so nepa come between a verb. And they live, it is a extra word. So you got it. No is no, so is so, nay is nay here, verb is sont, pa is here, and extra word is here. Okay, so here there is nothing problem. In singular sentence I wrote like this, NENEST. Okay, so here is a consonant, and here is E is vowel and S is consonant, so there is nothing problem. So we can read like this: no, so, ne, sont, pas, they live. No, so, ne, sont, pas, they live. No, these are not books. So now time is assignment. So I give you here 5 sentences in singular. So please write in the comment in negative. Okay. In next slide there are 5 sentences of the plural form. So also please write these 5 sentences in the comment and in the negative form. Clear? I hope it is clear. Okay. See you in the next lesson. I'll explain more trick and tips in French. Au revoir.